Hey beautiful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and today I want to come and talk to you guys about Colourpop cosmetics and their concealers. So I'd be on YouTube and I would see all these videos of people kind of just going crazy over this concealer. So because they're only $6, I decided to go ahead and give it a test to see how it worked as a concealer and how it worked kind of like as a foundation. I ordered mine online and I ordered it in 3 different shades. The lightest shade I have is in Tan 50 and it's tan with warm undertones. I also have it in Deep 70, which is deep with warm undertones, and I have it in Rich 75, which is rich with warm red undertones. So when you wear concealers, it's so important to know what your undertones are. Just because you have dark skin does not mean that all dark skin looks the same, and that's what's going to give you the most natural look. My undertones are yellow or golden. In the past, I always thought it was red, so all of my foundation has always been super warm and it's never quite looked right until I figured that out. Let's go ahead and do a quick swatch test because they do oxidize, which means they do get darker. So let's put it on really quick so you can see. First, let's start off with the Tan 50, which is what I use for like a brighter under eye. Now let's do the Deep 70. And this is Rich 75, which is probably my exact skin complexion. Initially, I thought I could contour with this. When I first saw it online, I thought it was gonna be a lot darker than it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a clip of me applying it. Please excuse the way I look because I just woke up from a nap. And then I'll show you a clip of me wearing it as a full face to work. And then we'll come back and see how this oxidizes. Go ahead and just rub this in with my finger. It's very creamy and it spreads really easily, but look at how thick this is. Look at how much it's able to cover all of this just with my finger. But do you see how you can still see the line? So when you put this concealer on, it doesn't move. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish putting them both all over each side of the face and we'll do a comparison with the color. So I'm gonna go back in with the Deep 70. I love the doe foot applicator on here. It makes it so easy to apply and it's really soft. I'm doing this just to show you how much it covers and how well it covers. And I'm gonna go in with my makeup sponge. I'm using a beauty blender. Coverage is beautiful. My skin still looks like skin. It does cover my moles. Of course it shows through on this side because it's lighter, but on this side it covers them completely. So if you do have blemishes, most of them probably will be covered. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put the tan color right here underneath the eye just so we can play around and see. This is quite bright for my liking. I feel like with this particular one, it doesn't move as easily. I don't know why. Whew, that's a little bit too bright for me. I just need something that has a little bit more gold in it. You guys, look at the finish. It's just so pretty. It's such a beautiful formula, and for $6, I mean, no, you cannot beat this price. I don't want to waste it for the sake of the video, but let me just put a little bit of the darker color here so I can complete my look. So in this clip, I'm showing you how I wear it to work. I only use the darkest 2, which is the deep 70 that I use underneath my eyes, just to sort of give it more light and awaken me. And then I use the rich 75 over the rest of my face, but very little of it, so it can look as natural as possible. And it does cover very evenly. I like the way it looks. It does transfer quite easily, so you can't be touching your face and touching things because it's gonna come off. But let's go ahead and take a look at my hand. Okay, so this is gonna be the truest color, and I do use all natural lighting. We have our light highlight color, and then this is the sort of like lighter brown colors is the rich 70. As you can see, the undertones to me look kind of like neutral or even kind of like slightly pinkish. And then this is the rich 75, and you can see with the rich 75 it did oxidize to actually be a little bit darker than what I expected, but it's not dark enough for my complexion to do any contouring with. I believe that for the $6 price, it is an excellent concealer. It covers really well. It moves okay. It's not super stiff, but it's not extremely creamy like the NARS Radiant Concealer. It's not that creamy, but the doe foot applicator is very nice. It does a wonderful job at brightening the skin. My only complaint, which echoes everyone else who's probably used it who has deeper skin, is that the color range for the dark colors are very limited. There's only like 3 dark colors, so it doesn't include everyone, and that of course is a major problem. Outside of that, I think it's a great concealer. I would definitely repurchase it in the future if I could find a better color for the under eye piece. I think the number 60, the deep golden, would probably be the perfect color match for me for underneath my eyes, but we'll see. It does sell out very quickly, and it could already actually be sold out. Because they're so cheap, people buy them really quickly. So if you find a color you like, just stock up on it so that you won't be without it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you've used the concealer, let me know what your thoughts are, if you liked or didn't like it. Big kisses to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and light.